morning children. Today let's learn about the number rounding off to nearest 100. Yesterday we learned rounding off to nearest 10 and today we will learn rounding off to nearest 100. So let's take a number. Let me give an example. Suppose if it is a number is like that, now we have to round off to the nearest 100. So 100, no? So first mark the hundreds place, the number in hundreds place. So the number in hundreds place is 4. So right side of this number, what number is there, that you have to look into. So right side of this number, what number is there? 8 is there. So this 8 you have to see whether this is equal to 5, or bigger than 5 or smaller than 5. You have to look into. This 8 is bigger than 5. If it is 5 and more than 5, then what you have to do? Here you have to add 1. So here plus 1. Since it is bigger than 5, more than 5, here you will add 1. So if you add 1, here it will be now 5. This will become 5. And this the left side digits, the number left to this number will remain the same. This will not be changing, but the numbers right side of this number will become 0. Here you will not write this number. These numbers will become 0. Left side will become the same number. And here you have to add 1. Suppose I will give another example. So now one more example I will teach you. So to round off to the nearest 100, you have to look at the number in hundreds digit. So first circle the number in hundreds digit. Here it is 7. So you have to look at the number right side of this number, the next number. So here the next number is 4. So this 4 is smaller than 5. So if it is smaller than 5, you will not make any change in this number. You will write this number as it is. No change will be here. You will write as it is. And left side of this number also you will write as it is. Here no change. And the right side, as I told you, these numbers will become 0. So once again I will explain to you. To round off to the nearest 100, you have to look at the number in hundreds place. Mark it there. Then right side of this, the next digit you look at. So look at this number. If it is 5 or more than 5, then you will add 1 to this number. Which number you have circled, there you have to add 1. So if you add 1, this will become 5. And left side of this numbers, all the digits will remain the same. And the right side of this number, the digits will become 0. You will not write these digits. In this place, you have to write 0. And if the number is smaller than 5, if the number right side of the digit, if the number is smaller than 5, then you will not make any change in this number. You will write as it is. And the left side of this, all the digits also will remain the same. But the right side it will become 0. Okay, now let's learn about rounding off to the nearest nearest 1000. I am taking the same number. Okay, so round off to the nearest 10, we were marking first the the number in tens place. Again round off to the nearest 100, we were marking the number in hundreds place. Now round off to the nearest 1000, you mark the number in thousands place. So here the number in thousands place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So in thousands place the number is 5. The number is 5. Now you have to look at the digit in the right side. So the right side the number is 4. Now 4, if you look, this is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So since it is smaller than 5, what we will not make any change. We will write this number as it is. We will write this number as it is. And the left side number also you will write as it is, 7. But the right side, all these digits will become 0. Right side remaining all the digits will become 0. If it is smaller than 5, these digits will remain the same. So now look at the other example. I am writing the same number. So to round off to the nearest 1000, we have to look at the round the number in thousands place. And now we have to look at the next right side number. So here 7. So now 7 is bigger than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 here. So here we will plus 1. Here you have to plus 1. So if you plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So you cannot write 10 here. Only 0 you have to write. That 1 you have to carry here. You have to carry here and we have to add with these digits. So 1 plus 1, 2. And now this is changed. Now right side whatever the digits is there are 3 digits. So all these 3 digits will become 0. So when 9 comes, so there will be a change in the left side. Otherwise there will not be change, it will remain the same. So this is the way how to do. Remember that whether the number on the right side is whether it is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, then you will add 1 to the digit. Otherwise you will write as it is. Okay, only that's all for today's class. Thank you.